Okay, investors, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're talking about Castor Maritime. Ticker symbol is CTRM. So this stock is up nearly 30% yesterday and over 100% on the monthly chart. But yeah, because this is the first video on this stock, I'm going to go through the company and also why is the stock up so huge just last week. I'm going to talk about it, will it keep climbing, and also is this a time to buy? So is it still a buy at this current price? But yeah guys, watch through to the whole video to find out. But yeah, please smash that like button and subscribe down below. So I'm a full-time student, I just had an exam Monday, Tuesday. I've got 2 more exams next week, but I'm still giving you daily content, but I'm still revising. But yeah guys, if you support the hustle, please smash that like button and subscribe down below. But yeah, before we get into the video as well, just remember that these penny stocks are very risky and very volatile, so only invest where you can afford to lose. So you'd rather lose $100 than lose thousands of dollars. So yeah, be careful and be cautious. So yeah, let's just get into this video. So first of all, what does this company do? So this company is a growth oriented global shipping company engaged in seaborne transportation of wide range of dry bulk commodities along worldwide shipping routes through the ownership of dry bulk vessels. So these vessels essentially are bulk carriers and ships that transport commodities across sea worldwide. So this company is actually a quite new company. So they took ownership of their first vessel back in 2017. So this was called the Magic P, and since then they've made up, I believe, 6 vessels, so 6 bulk carriers in total. So this company is quite new to the market, and they were only approved by NASDAQ in 2019. But yeah, so let's go a bit further. So this is the company's so the company's CEO, CFO and chairman is called Petros, and this is kind of concerning because it's the same person, the CEO, the CFO and the chairman. So this for me is quite concerning because that's a lot of work for one person to do. So I don't like, when I look into a company, I don't like when the founder takes on too much responsibility, and he's the CEO, the CFO and the chairman. I believe it's best for them to have a better management team, so someone who can be a CFO and handle that business, and the chairman can handle that business. But when it falls on one person, it does cause a lot of stress, and also it can mean that a company loses opportunity, because if you have individual people that are specialized in that sector that can do their job, then this company is more likely to grow. But if it's just one person trying to do everything, be the CFO, be the CEO, be the chairman, then I feel like this company can miss out on opportunity. So potentially moving forward, they can work on building their management team. But yeah, this company has been about for just under 4 years, so I don't expect them to have the best management team, but I feel like at this point they should look towards getting a better management team. So yeah, like I said, on their website, so it says this company was only listed on NASDAQ back in Feb 2019, and they entered the market as a $5 stock, and ever since it's just been going downhill. So this stock now is sitting at 37 cents, and as you know, to stay on the NASDAQ you need to be above $1 or above, and if you're down for too long, then you risk being delisted. So on December, the NASDAQ actually granted this company CTRM an additional 180-day extension to regain compliance, and this expires on June the 28th. So for them to regain this compliance, the company has to be at $1 or above for 10 consecutive days. So they've got just under 6 months now to get their stock to $1. But yeah, before I go any further, please smash that like button, like I said, subscribe down below and support the channel. So yeah, back in January 18, the company did announce that it signed a security purchase agreement with a group of unaffiliated investors in regards to direct offering. So Castor Maritime has offered 137 million shares and a warrant for 19 cents per unit. So news came out that this company has actually completed that direct offering for the 137 million shares to investors at 19 cents per share. those investors are able to exercise this warrant immediately or up to 5 years. So it will expire in 5 years time from its issue date. And this offering has gained the company 27 million in gross proceed. So this offering was to bring in more money, and this money will go towards the company expanding and acquiring more vessels and more ships to develop their shipping business. So yeah, I feel like this company are focusing on going more international, and I feel like they're getting ready for June time, so when the economy starts to recover. But yeah, let's just look quickly at their revenue. So looking over their revenue, I'll just give you a quick overview or a quick summary. So year on year, it has been good. So year on year, the revenue has increased even despite this pandemic and a lot of countries being on lockdown. So I'm guessing the shipping business wasn't as booming, but obviously as we come out of lockdown and out of this pandemic and everything's back at 100%, then we could see the shipping business take off. But yeah, so revenue has increased year over year, which is very good sign for growth in terms of years to come. So I believe this company is going in the right direction, and also this company has a lot of cash on the side, and now this has been added by 26 million that have raised from selling their shares or their share offerings. So this company has a lot of cash on the side, so they're just waiting to expand so they can buy more vessels and take their ships more globally, which could mean a greater revenue and greater the stock price will start to rise up. So yeah, that's very good when especially a penny stock has a lot of cash on the side to expand, because a lot of these penny stocks are heavy in debt and barely any cash on the side. But this company has 37 million cash on the side, and now added to that is 26 million dollars. So that's a lot of money on the side, so they can start building more vessels and just building the company, because like I said, it's still quite a new company, just was founded in 2017, so they've still got quite a way to go to get their company established. But yeah, so I believe this company will do very well long term, because despite 2020 and the whole pandemic, they were able to pull through and still do year over year revenue at a positive. And imagine when this vaccine gets rolled out later on this year and the economy starts to recover and the shipping industry will start to recover and everything will be in great demand, especially a lot of people starting businesses during this pandemic, then this shipping business is gonna explode in not years but even months to come. So as we start to recover and the economy and the world goes back to normal, then we could see a pickup, and this could mean very good things for this company and for this stock. But yeah, so like I said, my only concern is just the management team. So obviously the CEO, CFO, and the chairman is the same person, so I'd like to see this company build a better management team, so get individual people to take on these responsibilities and these roles, and I feel like this will immensely help the company grow, because if you have someone who knows what they're doing for a specific sector, then I believe the company will do very well. And if you take companies out now, most companies that do very well have individual people responsible for individual stuff, because if you have one person that's doing too much, if the founder is taking on too much responsibility, which I can understand to save money, but long term it could put the stock or put the company back in terms of growth. So the growth will be a lot slower than if you had someone who knew what they were doing. So this stock right now is at 37 cents. So to start off with, personally, I will not be investing in this company, because although I feel like this company will do very well long term, I feel like they've not done anything special to differentiate themselves from other shipment businesses out there. I've been looking, but I feel like there's nothing really that really differentiates them from other businesses. So for me, I'd have to see in a few months or even years to see how this company do. So it's still quite a new company, came out in 2017, so I feel like it's too early for me to even jump in, because until this company can establish themselves, build a better management team, and we can see even though the revenue is high year year over year is increasing. I think it's still not to where I'd want it to be. So I'd want them to still increase their revenue immensely and also gain more experience in the shipping business and better build a management team for their company. And once this company starts to grow, I think it will be a potential buy for myself. But yeah, that's just me talking from a long-term investor perspective. But yeah, if you're looking to swing trade the stock, I personally wouldn't, but I always say look for the dip. So don't buy it when it's at its peak. So right now it's up huge yesterday due to news. So wait for it to go down, buy the dips, then as it's going up, claim profit, so take profit along the way. But yeah, that's just my personal opinion. I just want to bring this up to you guys because I know you guys like when I talk about all these penny stocks that are currently hot on the market, and a lot of you did comment in my videos, so check out this stock. So I've checked it out. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy a stock because I said to buy the stock. Always do your research, do your own due diligence before investing your money into any stock in the stock market. And as always, these penny stocks are very, very risky and very volatile, so be careful and be cautious when investing in these penny stocks, and only invest where you can afford to lose. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and smash that like button, and please subscribe down below to support the hustle. But yeah, I'll catch you in the next video.